In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the torsion bar mount on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Underneath, I'm just using a pull jack just to support the bar, just for safety. I'm going to take this bolt out. Using a 21mm socket, I'll take this bolt out. Slides out. Now just lowering the pull jack so this drops down. It may help if you have the wheels off the ground. There's going to be less tension on this, so keep that in mind. Just using a bungee cord to move the brake cable out of the way, and we have to cut these rivets off. Now use some type of a grinder or whizzer and cut the rivets off. Either slice them down the middle or just grind them off. Now I'm just going to use an air hammer and chisel them off. Now we're going to push these through. I can grab the old mount. All the rivets are out. Slide it up. Pull down on the bracket a little bit. Also, if you're having trouble, you can always loosen up the other side, take the bolt out. And it slides right out. Take the mount, get it lined up. Get the holes lined up. Slide it up. Take the bolts, go start it on the other side. Now put a 15mm wrench on the bolt side. Using a 17mm socket, tighten the nuts down. Line this up, get the bolt, get started, and tighten that down. Lower the pull jack, and you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.